everyone. Welcome to our first Cry Virtual Gala 2020. We really missed meeting you in person, but we hope you will enjoy tonight's virtual event that we have thoughtfully put together for you. Tonight, we will be sharing with you what we have accomplished, stories from the field, and our plans for the rest of the year. We're excited to have our celebrity guest, Vivek Oberoi, and our project partner with us this evening. Thank you so much for your loyal and generous support, without which we would not be able to do the work that we do. As you know, this has been a very challenging year for all of us, more so for the children and communities who are not as privileged as us. Our work on the ground has continued despite the lockdown and beyond to safeguard the well being of children. Cry America has supported COVID-19 relief efforts both in the USA and in India. We've supported hunger alleviation programs in the USA through Save the Children and No Kid Hungry. We've also supported our partner Cry India's COVID relief efforts, which have covered 126,000 children across 60 households across 16 states, which included hygiene kits that were distributed to 40,000 families. Nutrition and dry rations were provided to 20,806 households. Online and digital classes were held for students to continue learning. Awareness was created among the communities regarding COVID-19 and its stopping of the spread, and communities were connected with government testing and other assistance programs. In this mixed phase of lockdown and post lockdown in some areas, based on our assessment, due to rampant unemployment and families being locked at home, there has been a spike. We have seen that there's been a spike in malnutrition, child labor, child marriage, trafficking, and abuse across many villages and slums. CRY, along with its project partners, will focus on the following efforts for the remainder of the year. CRY projects will work with hospitals and health centers to equip them with COVID-19 related supplies. We will also create awareness to stop the spread of COVID-19. Our project partners will ensure and strengthen healthcare delivery through health centers and community workers to ensure regular immunization and health checkups for children, nutrition and ration for children and pregnant women, and malnutrition cases will have access to nutrition rehabilitation centers. In the area of education, education support will be provided to needy children and especially those exam students of grade 10 and 12. We will ensure that children go back to school and attend school regularly, and school facilities will be improved, including sports. Digital learning centers across projects will be strengthened to help children build digital skills and cope with schoolwork. We will continue to prevent, rescue, rehabilitate children who are vulnerable to child labor, child marriage, child trafficking, and gender discrimination. Dear donors, this has been a very challenging year for all of us, but it's an even more challenging year for projects and community workers who continue to work relentlessly, risking their own lives to ensure the well being of vulnerable children. So far, Cry America has impacted the lives of over 733,000 children living across 3,800 villages and slums through support to 90 projects with your support. This year, in 2020, we will be supporting 28 projects through grants over $800,000. Thank you so much for attending our virtual gala and for your very generous support. Thank you again for irreversibly transforming the lives of hundreds of children like Kajal from Project SSRF, who from a child bride going to be married off to a 32-year-old trafficker at age 14, has today completed her grade 12, is applying to college, and has rescued many girls from child marriage and trafficking in her project area. Hear from the children themselves, their journey, and their dreams in their own words and voices. Thank you.
मेरा नाम काजल है और मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के वाराणसी ज़िले की रहने वाली हूँ। मैं उस दिन के बारे में आप लोग को बताऊँ तो बाल विवाह का दिन, जो मेरे पापा मुझसे बोले कि बेटा तुम्हारा शादी लग गया है, तो मुझे तो पहले सुनते ही ऐसा लगा कि क्या सच में मेरा शादी हो जाएगा। मुझे अपने आगे जो होने वाला था वो मुझे आज ही दिखने लगा था कि ऐसा ऐसा हो जाएगा मेरे साथ। फिर भी मैं पापा को बोली, पापा मुझे नहीं करना, अभी पढ़ना है, मुझे बढ़ना है, क्योंकि तो जो लड़की दूसरों को बताती थी कि नहीं ये सब गलत है, वो अपने साथ कैसे गलत होने दे सकती थी। और मेरे पापा जब नहीं मान रहे थे तो हमारी संस्था ने, वहाँ के जो दीदी भैया थे, उन्होंने मेरा रिस्क लिया कि इसको हम लोग पढ़ाएंगे लिखाएंगे, इसको आगे हम लोग बढ़ाएंगे, आप बस अपनी बेटी पे विश्वास करके उनको हम मेरे पे सौंप दीजिए। और वहीं से मेरा ज़िंदगी का जो अच्छा समय था उसी दिन से स्टार्ट हो गया। कहा जाता है कि ज्ञान बांटने से ख़त्म नहीं होता, बढ़ता है। तो उस ज्ञान को मुझे और बढ़ाना है, इसलिए मैंने अपने टारगेट को, अपने लक्ष्य को डिसाइड कर लिया है, फैसला कर लिया कि अब मुझे भी एक समाज के लिए समाज सेविका बनना है, सब सोशल वर्कर बनना है। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आप लोगों ने मेरा इतना सपोर्ट किया। थैंक यू और जय हिंद।